Did you know that Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey sold the first tweet for $2.9 million as an NFT? Like, what? Exactly what is it that makes this asset so enthralling yet mysterious to the world of technology? NFTs are a combination of a computer file and a certificate of authenticity. Whatever you want to create can be a digital version of a physical object. A non-fungible token cannot be exchanged for another, in contrast to fungible money like dollars or Bitcoin. Discussing the NFTs and their varying price is the subject of today's video. Have you ever wondered why some NFT assets are sold at such a high price? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, aren't just for the rich and famous. Some buy them to show their support for their favorite musicians, athletes, or public figures. In other cases, investors are simply hoping to profit from a hot market. Is this the cause for a wide range of the NFT's prices? Keep watching the video for further clarity as it develops. Cryptographic tokens, or NFTs, are digital assets that may be traded online. Cryptocurrency, primarily Ethereum, is used to create and transact these tokens. Ethereum is an electronic cash system with an encrypted key, which is frequently a random string of numbers. Since NFTs provide a unique marketplace for digital assets, companies are even constructing their own NFTs as part of the marketing mix. As a bonus, NFTs give consumers the ability to customize how their personal information is stored, managed, and protected. Creators of NFTs can also expect to receive royalties and a cut of future sales as compensation for their work. An NFT token, in essence, creates a one-of-a-kind, verifiable digital asset that may be exchanged on the NFT market or via the NFT blockchain technology for digital art. The smart contract for many NFTs includes a collection of data, such as ownership and transaction information, which are recorded. During exchanges, NFT writers can include elements such as the creator's name, secure URLs to files, and more. Anyone interested in collecting or investing in non-fungible tokens will need a digital NFT wallet. To put it another way, a digital wallet uses blockchain technology, the underpinning of NFTs. When it comes to trading, many people use cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. It has been a long time since artists have had anything to show for their hard work, especially when it comes to money. For digital artists, NFTs give them the option to properly own and sell their creations while still profiting from their efforts. If you're wondering if the value of an NFT purchase can rise, you're not alone. NFTs have the potential to gain value due to speculation and rarity. Reselling an NFT asset could fetch significantly more money than buying it originally, depending on what potential purchasers think the asset is worth. Think of it as a piece of traditional, tangible art. The value of a painting is mostly determined by the buyer's perception of its worth. Some believe it's worth more, while others believe it's worthless, even if most people agree on its value. The value of a digital asset may be determined by its scarcity. If it's in short supply, it could be considered a valuable commodity. Considerations such as who's releasing the NFTs must be taken into account. People who like NFTs will find the limited supply more tempting if it's associated with an established persona, company, or brand that people believe has a bright future. NFTs' adaptability, which allows them to be used for reasons other than art, also adds value to digital collectibles. NFT buyers may be offered a special feature or bonus package as part of their purchase of an NFT from a particular NFT seller. There is a chance that certain merchants are releasing NFTs. For example, customers can win real-world prizes by joining a specific club. Digital materials such as photos, music, GIFs, or a video clip can be used to create NFTs that have unique features. NFTs are so flexible that they even incorporate tweets and memes into the NFT marketplace. Buying and selling NFTs has become easier because of online auctions that act as a marketplace for NFTs. Prices for major NFTs can be determined by a variety of factors, including the type of NFT, as well as the amount of information accessible about the NFT. As far as we've seen, digital artwork is the most popular type of NFT. Created on a computer or smartphone, artists can simply sell artwork by converting it from a JPG, PNG, and other common file types to NFTs. Selling in-game virtual avatars, video game skins, weapons, and armor are all famous forms of NFTs that you may make good money from. Some gamers make money by selling the unusual goods they collect while playing a certain game. The Renegade Raider skin in Fortnite, which was only released once in 2017, is considered to have gained considerable value afterward. It's a good example of this phenomenon. The price of an NFT can be influenced by a variety of factors, from market conditions to buyer demands. It's a wide scale. Market demand, buyer emotion, investment potential, the popularity of the creator, the originality of the asset, and how the buyer wants to enhance the awareness of both himself and the seller are some of these components. The value of an NFT is also influenced by other aspects, such as the asset's use potential and cultural importance. There are also NFTs that stand out because of their promised return on investment, or ROI, in which the expectation of future value growth drives the current value. It's easy to sum up all the common causes with just one word: hype. Conversations around an NFT, bids, or current popularity of a work being sold can all be associated with this term. In the end, the more buzz a piece has, the more its value rises on a steady upward path. An NFT's price can be determined by focusing on building, sustaining, and increasing favorable discussions about the product. If you're going to start an NFT, you better have a lot of support behind you. Your association or stamp of approval may be sufficient if you have a huge online following. Having a popular piece of content like a viral tweet show the number of likes can be used to increase sales. It's not so much about who decides the price of NFTs as it is about what drives the value of such a non-fungible asset. Twitter CEO and co-founder Jack Dorsey's post on the platform is one of the best examples of this combination. The tweet has iconic status because it was the very first post on Twitter. Because of Dorsey's public presence and the excitement surrounding NFTs, converting a tweet into an NFT has exceptional value. Hence, on December 25th, 2020, when the tweet launched as an NFT with a starting price of $1, nonetheless, on March 22, 2021, the final offer on the tweet's NFT was $2.9 million. As of that time, the transaction was valued in Ether, which is how it was sold to the highest bidder. Additionally, the tweet was protected by Dorsey's digital signature, which served as an additional layer of authentication. An autographed copy of his tweet made it even more valuable as a commodity. You may compare it to a book signed by a well-known author.